Hi everyone, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and transplant a few seedlings I've been growing in the backyard. No. Hi everyone, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. In today's video, we're going to be transplanting a few seedlings I've been growing in the shade house for a few weeks now. So I'll be transplanting them in the garden in different spots or selected spots I decided to place them in. We have from Zinnias, different varieties of squash and a variety of tomato. So hopefully we'll be able to cover that all in this video, in a quick video and showing you guys what I'll be doing to transplant them, as well as showcasing the varieties I'll be growing. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. Coming in number one is the small sugar pumpkin. I know I'll be harvesting between early winter to midwinter, so depending on how fast these grow and produce will depend on what time I'm harvesting them. So let me go ahead and plant them. Coming at number two is the white scallop squash, otherwise well known as a patty pan squash. I've been meaning to grow these for a long time, but never had success growing them. So this will be like the 5th time I'm trying them, but I'm never giving up because I love how these squash look. And so I'm gonna be giving it a try again. I have 3 plants here that I'm gonna be placing. Well, in each container there's 2, so considerably 6 plants I'm gonna be planting, so I could give a high level of chance of success with this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and be planting this right here so they could grow on and develop some beautiful squash for me to harvest and enjoy. So let me go ahead and plant all 3 of them. Number 3 is a black beauty zucchini. So this is a plant that I tend to set back a lot because I have the worst success growing it. I will be giving it another chance this growing season to see what it could give, and I think this will be its last opportunity because I've probably tried like over 10 times to grow zucchini and never ever harvested not one zucchini from the garden. So hopefully it'll be able to redeem itself with this plant and show off its great quality. So most of these seeds you see here are from Survival Garden Seeds. The Black Beauty Zucchini as well as the Small Sugar Pumpkin is from Survival Garden Seeds. I purchased the White Scallop Squash at Walmart, as well as the next plants that I'll be showing up in a bit. So let's go ahead and plant this right here. Coming up at number 4 are Roma tomatoes. Usually during the winters where we grow our indeterminate and determinate varieties of tomatoes, since tomatoes prefer spring temperatures regularly. But here in spring, our temperatures are already jolting to the high 80s, even reaching 90s. So when it comes fall, it's the favorable time to plant tomatoes, winter squash, etc. So I have Roma tomatoes, which is my family's favorite. So I have 2 here and I have 1 over there set off to our left. So I'll be planting that one as well. So let me go ahead and jump straight into planting. Coming at number 5 is the peppermint stick zinnia. This one, I'm growing it for the first time this year, and I'm popping it in a few places of the garden to illuminate the garden look. So I'm going to be planting these within a few areas. So this is number 1. Behind us we have 2 more, so let's go ahead and jump straight into planting. So I planted all my seedlings out in the garden and I water them thoroughly, but like I do with rodents as well as other animals that like to feast on my plants, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Repels All from Bonide. So I absolutely love this product and I'm gonna be trying it out. I've heard some great reviews on it, but something that they do tend to tell us is that you have to reapply it whenever it rains or the soil gets really wet, because then the effect goes away. So make sure you reapply around the plant, never plant apply this directly to the root system. You want to go ahead and plant it around the circumference of the plant so it can go ahead and repel any animal that is eating on your plants. So let me go ahead and do that really quickly. So gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Hopefully you found this video entertaining because I finally got some things done in the garden and can't wait to have an abundant harvest from this place. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, everyone. Bye guys.